Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about Royal Enfield Hunter 350 bike review. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is the brand's most accessible motorcycle, and is also the most affordable Royal Enfield bike to be built on the J platform. Royal Enfield Hunter 350 price. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is priced at Rs 149,900 for the base factory black and factory silver, Rs 166,900 for the mid-spec Dapper Ash, white, grey range, and Rs 171,700 for the top-end Rebel Red, Black, Blue series. Royal Enfield Hunter 350 features. Royal Enfield has equipped the Hunter 350 with the same semi-digital instrument console from the Scram 411, with the Tripper pod being provided as an optional extra. For safety, it comes equipped with dual-channel ABS or a single-channel unit, depending on the variant. Royal Enfield Hunter 350 engine. The Hunter 350 comes with the same 349 cubic centimeters engine shared with the Royal Enfield Classic 350 and Meteor 350. It makes 20.2 PS and 27 Newton meters and is mated to a 5-speed transmission. Royal Enfield Hunter 350 suspension and brakes. You get a telescopic fork along with a dual shock absorber. Adding to its sportiness are the 17-inch spoke or alloy wheels that are wrapped in tubeless or tube tires, depending on the variant you opt for. For braking, the Hunter 350 uses a 300mm disc at the front and a 270mm unit at the rear. At 181 kg curb, it is also the lightest Royal Enfield bike in India. Royal Enfield Hunter 350 rivals. The Hunter 350 primarily rivals the Honda CB 350 RS and the Jawa 42 2.1. It will also rival the upcoming Bajaj Triumph motorcycle. Key highlights of Hunter 350. Engine capacity 349.34 cubic centimeters. Mileage 36.2 kmpl. Curb weight 177 kilograms. Fuel tank capacity 13 L. Max power 20.4 PS at 6,100 RPM. Royal Enfield Hunter 350 specifications. Mileage 36.2 kmpl. Engine type single cylinder, 4-stroke, SOHC engine. No of cylinders 1. Max power 20.4 PS at 6,100 RPM. Max torque 27 Newton meters at 4,000 RPM. Front brake disc. Rear brake disc. Fuel capacity 13 liters. Body type. Cruiser bikes. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.